last video with Abby for today, but we're going to do the last slime thing. So I'm going to go first and start with this clear ocean. And by the way, if you see anything that's in here, it's this cute little puppy glass. Because, I saw a lot of people that have ocean slimes that have like little things in it. So I decided to, and it's really tiny and it's fun to play with. And I really like the texture.
Okay, the first one that I'm going to do is called Blue Raspberry. It's
really metallic.
It really is. The lighting is kind of like
reflecting off of it. Oh, do you see that?
That's really cool. It looks different if it wasn't on video.
But. Yeah, it does. It definitely does.
And it's very squishy and just kind of mellow. So.
Mellow.
Alright, go ahead.
Next is my Sunshine Yellow. This is actually my mom's. The other one wasn't my mom's. This is my mom's, and it's really nice. It's like a gold. I call it my gold sunshine. It's gold. And I really like this color. It's one of my favorites, and it's really nice. And look at this, guys. Literally, look at that. It's amazing. And it's fluffy. It's fluffy, and it's kind of sticky. And, yeah.
The next one I'm going to do is called Green Apple.
Green Apple.
Does not sound crunchy. Unfortunately, it does not have
crunchies.
Crunchies.
Foam balls.
And it stretches extremely far.
Here, wait, let's do it together. Here, hold this.
Okay.
What?
Still going. Still going.
Abby. Okay. Let's knock it on my carpet.
Oh, poop.
Oh, God.
What did I just say?
Okay, my turn.
No.
My turn. Okay. My last slime is this blue. Blue. Long blue. It's really dark blue.
I tapped that.
And it's really milky, so it's a milk slime. Like, what? And literally hear that. And it's really nice. Next, the last one is Abby's.
Like, yo, this is the lemon. It is also, well, kind of stretchy.
It's really stretchy.
It's very, like,
mellow.
Flat. It is very flat. And, like, artsy. Like.
Fartsy.
I'll show you. So,
okay.
Look this.
So, guys, this is our last video for today. But I'm posting this on Tuesday.
Bro, dude.
And we hope you like this. Goodbye.
Wait.